But through it all, we've kept the flame alive.
Now standing proud and tall, our spirits strong and free, building on hopes and dreams. It's here we want to be. Let's reach out for the skies. With wings we soar up high. Our dreams we'll all achieve. We'll make our destiny.
Let's reach out for the skies. With wings we soar up high. Our dreams we'll all achieve. Let's soar and reach for the skies.
When I think about my dreams, the future it can be, the time has come for me to strive and to achieve.
With hopes within our hearts, as one hand in hand, for family and our friends, let's do the best we can. Let's reach out for the skies. With wings we soar up high. Our dreams we'll all achieve. We'll make our destiny. Let's reach out for the skies. With wings we soar up high. Our dreams we'll all achieve. Let's soar and reach for the skies.
Happy birthday, Singapore! Happy birthday, Singapore! Happy birthday, Singapore! Happy birthday, Singapore! Happy 60th birthday!
Let's reach out for the skies. With wings we soar up high. Our dreams we'll all achieve. We'll make our destiny. Let's reach out for the skies. With wings we soar up high. Our dreams we'll all achieve. Let's soar. Let's soar and reach for the skies.
Where my dreams wait for me, where the river always flows. This is home.